Yeah, hey, my name's Trent, and I remember the day clearly. We were sitting there, heads were bowed, and my mate standing next to me, and my mother, two people next to me, and I was sitting there praying to God, to bring these people to Him, and heads rose up and eyes were open, and my mate looked at me and said, "It's me, man. It's my time," and I just, wow, and we walked up, and then I looked to my right. My mother was standing there next to me as well, and bawling her eyes out, and I just couldn't believe what was happening to me. And she turned to me and said, "Look, there's Brooke," and my niece was on the other side of the room, and she walked up as well. And it's the power of prayer, and prayers were answered that day, and it just keep getting answered. I've been coming to this church for over a year now, and before that year, I was pretty much a person that you call a dead man working. I was lost in this world, and battled pretty much drug addiction for 14 years. And there was a time in my life where I hit my rock bottom, and I called out to God, and God came to me, and it took me a while to really step into the faith and to step into the calling of what He had for me. And from that day, pretty much I stepped into this church. My life has changed. I'm a present father where I was not present at all. I've got my family back. I've started to build trust with people, and that's because I step into faith with God. I'm married today. I've got 2 beautiful children. I've got a passion for bringing people to Christ, and that's all down to Jesus Christ. And yeah.